It's your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks for campaign 16 of 2022. And this campaign, we are highlighting our Isonox A New Clinical Collection, which is sort of all of our treatment skincare. So we've got, a bit of a focus on those, and those are all featured at the front of the brochure. But we do have one new product in our Isonox A New Clinical collection, and this one is for body. It's the Isonox A New Clinical Revitalize and Reveal Resurfacing Lotion for Body. And yes, that's a bit of a mouthful, but the resurfacing lotion for body, it's going to give you retexturizing and brightening alpha hydroxy with lactic acid and shea butter. So it's a luxurious formula, boosts the skin's natural exfoliation process, and moisturizes the skin to visibly smooth, rough, bumpy, and crepey skin so that it feels and looks more radiant. I'm personally looking forward to this because as I get a little closer to 50, I am seeing some crepiness in my arms. And also I can always, as a chronic sufferer of ingrown hairs, can always use more exfoliation for my legs. So I'm definitely looking forward to using this myself. Some of the benefits of lactic acid, if you don't already know, is it does help to gently exfoliate and promote skin cell turnover. So it gives you fresher looking skin, visibly brightens the skin all over, promotes collagen production, so you get more plump and youthful looking skin. So that helps with that crepey texture and the kind of wrinkly looking effect that we get in our skin as it gets older. Helps minimize hyperpigmentation, sunspots, and discoloration. I have quite a bit of that that I'm also looking forward to seeing some improvement in. And it unclogs pores to help prevent body acne. So that's a cool benefit to that as well. A bonus benefit, because it has shea butter as a secondary ingredient, your skin's going to feel smooth and hydrated, because we all know how much we love that feel of shea butter on the skin. Other reasons that you're going to love the resurfacing lotion for body: it's dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, clinically tested, free from fragrance, parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil. As with most alpha hydroxy acid products containing alpha hydroxy acid ingredients, this lotion can cause some sun sensitivity. So you do want to be sure to use a good broad spectrum sunscreen when using this. I can recommend a few if you don't already know any. It has a nice convenient twist cap, and it's not as super thick. It's kind of a medium weight formula. It's not like light and runny, but it's also not, super thick and heavy. Has kind of like a gel cream formula to it, so it's got kind of that cooling effect. And again, it doesn't have any added fragrance, so it does have just kind of the fragrance from the ingredients, which is a pleasant scent, but seems to go away after I apply it, so it wouldn't interfere with any, perfumes or other fragrances, body lotions or things that you're using that have fragrance. Shouldn't really interfere with those. But it doesn't have any added fragrance, so you shouldn't have any allergy type, like hay fever type reactions to it. But just gives a nice soft feel to the skin, and over time it's going to improve the look of those sunspots and discolorations and the crepey texture in that. So that is the Isonox A New Clinical Revitalize and Reveal Resurfacing Lotion for Body. So just tell me you need that clinical body lotion and I'll know what you mean, but it'll be easy enough to find online as well. One other little skincare treat that we have for you. We don't have a gotta get it deal this campaign, but we do have a great special offer. This is the Get Your Glow On bundle, and it's all three of these for $30. So you have your Rice Water Bright Foaming Facial Cleanser. Love this stuff. It's my go-to cleanser for just general face cleansing. Ginormous 11-ounce bottle. This thing's going to last you forever. Our top-selling lip treatment, our vitamin C lip treatment, which is, just great for soothing and smoothing of the lips. And then our a new ultimate dual eye system. So it has a fun, like a serum that goes all over the eye area, and the cream to help with fine lines and kind of all multiple signs of aging around the eye. So fine lines and wrinkles, dark circles. It's just kind of an all-around helper in the eye area, but especially good for those fine lines and wrinkles that you see. And I'm going to be a pretty short one this time. I have just one more thing to share. We have added just a couple of new pieces to our spring summer fashion collection, and wanted to share the Embroidered Peasant top here that we got. I got this one and absolutely love this top. This is going to be my favorite top of the summer. Now, I know I've already dubbed the dress of the summer, just saying this is the perfect summer top. It's a knit fabric, almost like t-shirt material, but not super heavy, but it's got the fun embroidered details as the dolman sleeves, so it's very comfortable. Fun little ruffle and tie at the neckline, and it has the elastic at the sleeves, but it's very soft and comfortable. Just super, like, it's great for warmer weather. It's very breathable and cool, and just looks really, really cute. And I will tag on a short little GIF at the end showing kind of where it hits lengthwise and the fit, and that I'll tack that on to the end here so you can see how that fits. But I'm just loving this top. So it's kind of a late addition to our spring and summer collection. A couple other pieces. Let's see this. I know this jumper is new as well, or jumpsuit is new as well. So definitely check out the new fashion that we have added to that collection. Let's see, what else was that was brand new? I think it was just those two pieces. Oh, the V-neck ring detail top was also a new addition to that fashion collection that we debuted last campaign. I think it was last campaign before, 14 or 15. After a while, they all kind of run together. So I admit I don't actually remember which campaign they debuted in. I just know I got a couple pieces from that collection too, including the dress of summer that I just absolutely love. So really, really short and sweet this time. That's all I have for you for campaign 16. In the summer we have fewer new products, and we just kind of focus on those classic products, things like our bug guard that you need, if you're going to be out, camping, playing in the park, out, wherever you might encounter some bugs. We have some fantastic new sunscreens, both a luxury sunscreen with skincare benefits and a mineral-based sunscreen that's great for the whole family and those that want a more natural alternative. So if you haven't already checked those out, just kind of jump back through some videos depending on where you're watching, or reach out. I'll be happy to point you in the right direction. Really, you can find all of what's new and what's been going on thoughtsonbeauty.com. There's a new ultimate makeup guide there where I have kind of put together all of the tips and things that I have shared previously about makeup and all of the steps, and put that all together in one guide. There's all sorts of, how to choose what to use type articles, and I'm adding new ones all the time. So definitely hop on over to Thoughts on Beauty if this video was not long enough for you to get your Avon fix for this week. And also Thoughts on Beauty on Facebook. If you search us out, you'll find that group there and can get added in for kind of a behind-the-scenes VIP access to your Avon lady. So I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you again in a couple of weeks.